and welcome to the big question with SNG Comedy once again.
Today's big question is how to deal with a breakup.
Because who hasn't broken up? Except Kautuk.
Oh no, I got broken.
Oh, he got to. Oh, wow.
Okay, so let's start with Adar. Adar, why don't you take us through your first ever breakup?
My first ever breakup was on SMS. And it was over a stupid fight, and they were like, okay, done. That was the first fight, and that was the first.
What you replied with, okay, done.
Okay, done. Okay, this is not working. This is like 2.5 months thing.
What did you do for the next 2 days? Like, how did you?
I don't know. Like
Fap, 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 fap.
So you
You did into a song.
You know, I have a thought that when you think of your exes, either there's extremes. Either you love them, or you have fond memories of them, or you really despise them.
Yeah.
So this one was someone you despised.
No, this one is someone I'm still in touch with, and like now we're like like acquaintance friends.
And I think it reaches a tipping point where initially you go through the stages, right? Initially it's like, oh my god, how did I ever date this person? I hate this person. And then after 5-6 years, you're like, that was cute.
Yeah.
That was, like
The time when it happened.
इतनी भी
Yeah.
पागल नहीं थे. हाँ, that's
हाँ.
what
Yeah.
it was.
I think the first time I was breaking up, this really good friend of mine was hitting on the same girl. Okay, so for the longest time in my head, I was just fucking angry. I'm like, "Tu sale meri girlfriend pe kaise line mar raha hai?"
That's so weird.
And so I was really pissed off. But now it's chilled.
Yeah.
I mean, she's married, so makes no difference.
Yeah.
And I remember,
She's married now.
she's married now. See, a lot of my ex-girlfriends are married.
हाँ.
So it's almost like,
What
अगर
is-
शादी नहीं किया तो ये मिलेगा.
No, but
जल्दी कर लो
tell me
शादी.
something.
So you were like-
the first ex who gets married.
Okay.
What does that feel like?
No, that's what I was getting to. So because we were dating when we were 13, 14, obviously now 14
much
years
time has
later,
passed,
too
yeah.
much time passed. So there's no animosity or anything. So
Correct.
I got a wedding card. I open it. I'm like, oh, XYZ
वो
married.
तेरे को भेजा उसने like
Ah,
कोई filmy.
so properly sent. So I'm like, okay, cool. It didn't really affect me as such, but I didn't want to go for it. I'm like, not because of anything else, but because I was going for another gig. So I'm like, so I messaged saying, hey, wish you a very happy married life. Blah, 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 blah. So all of this shit happened. And that night, after we finished it, we went to this place that's open really late at night to drink. And I'm sauntering out at sort of 4:45. And then I realized that the place she was getting married at is right next door.
Oh boy.
And I'm walking out and I see her mom,
Arey.
dad, brother, her in-laws are all walking out.
Beoda
And I'm in
aadmi.
chaddis, beoda like, andar aayega kya? And I look to my right and I see that.
shouting, Deva!
No, are you mad? I was so happy that she didn't see me because I ran away from there. Anyway, the point is that I'm drunk in my chaddis while she is getting married.
Yeah.
And when I went home, I actually sat down for 10 minutes. And I'm like, what do I want to be exactly? Like,
Yeah, what does
do
my
I
life
want to
come
be this? Yeah. Am I going to be the beoda in chaddis at 4:45?
ये शादी नहीं हो सकती.
No, thankfully I didn't do any of that.
कौन
Katie,
है
what
तू?
about your first breakup?
First breakup, actually, it was really weird because I was dating this girl. Actually, the first relationship I had was in the US, not even in India. And
Ah, Gauri.
all your
Yeah,
firsts
Gauri.
have happened in America. huh?
yeah, pretty
That's-
much. It was she was a Gauri, whatever. But I graduated and she was still in college, so I just left.
Pretty much.
Oh,
Fair
wait.
enough.
I just left. Yeah.
In fact.
No, this friend of mine, he was dating this girl in London, and he was working there. And I went visiting, so I was hanging out with them, and they had this dog. They bought a dog together. They were living together, And so I'm talking to him about like, oh, dude, it was so much fun in college, and we were having and so it was the last day of my trip there, and I was about to go back to India. I go to his apartment, and he's like boxing a lot of shit, like putting like his shoes in a box, all clothes in a massive box. And I was like, why didn't you go to work today? He called me and said, dude, I'm coming back. And I was like, is she okay with it? She doesn't know. He was boxing shit and couriering it back to India and telling her I'm going for a wedding and fucked off.
Oh man.
Wow.
Left her dog with her.
Wow.
Like, yeah, this is why people think Indians are choots. Like, it's just छोड़ के चला गया उसको and कुत्ता उधर छोड़ दिया. She came back to India.
कुत्ते को छोड़ दिया?
She came back here. She said I want to get back together. Left the dog and fucked off back to London.
Wow.
Okay.
This is great.
guys. Okay. Yeah. Here's the other thing I want to talk about, which is that what happens to mutual friends after a breakup?
They
Okay,
are divided as fuck.
They say like when you start dating someone, you lose 2 friends because you don't have the time to hang out with those 2 friends. But it seems like when you break up with someone, you also lose more friends.
Yeah.
Because there's no
Yeah.
because what happens with the friends is I feel like there's an awkward position. Okay, I'm having a house party. Okay, should I call Adar or Adarni?
I like how Adar's girlfriend is Adar.
Adarni. I can't think of a name.
Good.
Adarni.
Match made in heaven.
If I find a Adarni, if she's out there, contact us.
Please leave your email address and number in the comment section
Yes.
below, and we'll get Adar married to you.
Yeah, and don't call him Bhaiya. He doesn't
Yeah.
like it. No, but the scariest breakup I've ever had. We broke up, and then she sends me an SMS, okay, and she says, "Whatever happens to me, you'll be responsible."
Oh.
And-
He's thinking FIR.
Oh.
Yeah, like you have to get
Wow.
all like your legal things sorted, and then but the thing was that she topped her college and things like that, so I guess I was responsible.
What an anticlimactic
You know,
story. I thought
speaking
someone's dying at the end of
Speaking
it.
of crazy ex-girlfriends, actually, Adar, I met one of Adar's girlfriends, ex-girlfriends.
Oh yeah, the drunk. Huh.
This chick was like.
So she
all
came
of
for
her
one of our
crazy.
shows. So she came for one of our
Explains why
shows.
she was dating Adar.
No. She came for one of the shows, and she hung out like we went out for dinner, and then she came there. And now she's there, and I'm leaving. I'm running away. And these guys, she's like, "Oh no, let's stick around." And Karan's like, "Yeah, let her be." She's like,
Oh, I was having the time of my life watching
Yeah.
her like
Hilarious.
and she's
Self-destruct.
just falling all over. And she bought this guy to try and make me jealous, and I was.
She bought this guy.
Yeah, he bought this guy. खरीद के
ठीक
लाई
है
थी।
जय भैया अच्छा ये पैक कर देना मेरे को अपने बॉयफ्रेंड को जलाने का
सस्ते में कोई लड़का खरीद के लाई थी, and it's just I'm unaffected, so that's irritating her more. And at one point, Karan and these guys decide to go to the airport and for more drinks, and I'm running off. And these guys had the worst night of their lives apparently with her.
Dude, we went to drop her to her house.
Oh yeah, back
I
to her.
don't remember any of that.
Pacha.
Yeah.
I had to pick her up from the airport once because she was like drunk with her friends, and three of them couldn't get through the door.
Oh.
Like
How fat were these people?
No, like banging their head on the boom, 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 boom.
Okay. The other thing I want to talk about: coping strategies when you get broken up with.
Good question.
What do
I
you?
have-
How
I
do
have-
you?
you
Jagjit
go to
Singh,
five
I have a great
stages of
solution.
depression.
Jagjit Singh,
Yeah.
Old Monk, Shankari Bar.
I have a great positive solution. Every time you break up, pick up something, like pick up an instrument, learn something new.
Yes.
No, people's thing is,
Write
oh,
a
you
song.
broken up, buddy, join the gym.
Oh,
You join the
yeah.
gym, no, you can
So
take out
basically
all
just
that.
picking things up is
Yeah,
the
just yelling.
picking shit up. Pick up an instrument, pick up a dumbbell.
What is like? I want to like if you guys have any ideas on this. The big question I want to ask you guys is why does every guy grow a beard after a breakup?
Hey, not every guy. I can't grow a beard, right? So after I've broken up, most people are like, looks like you're in a good, healthy relationship. Like, no, I'm fucking.
Because they all become poets deep down inside.
Deep down
And
inside.
you know,
That's I've ever had a rebound. Because that's one of the first things that
Yeah.
happen, right? You break up and then every chick after that, wow, I love her also. I love her.
No word
You just-
expectations.
It's true, man. It happens. You tend to just quickly jump on a rebound. So what has been
Jump on a
Any-
rebound. Well
yeah,
phrased.
literally.
No, they should have an app for that. Like, there should be a rebound app where two people who are looking for a rebound should just find it.
Great.
great app idea.
Great.
Without the
It's a
hassle
SNG
of-
patent.
Yes.
No one can steal this
Rebound.
idea.
Yeah.
Rebound.
Rebounder.
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 Tell us your rebound story. Adar.
Rebound. So I was
Adar's
at
rebound
this,
story is
I was
No,
at the
once I was-
basketball game.
hitting the ball and
Get
rebound.
it in my face again. I've never had a successful rebound. There's been attempts at rebounds.
No, but you know the weird thing is,
But it's tougher for guys, huh? Because
Yeah.
girls don't want to be the rebound. But for guys, we'll take anything. So yeah,
Yeah.
guys,
That's also true. That is also
Yeah.
true.
Oh, you can't see, it's okay.
No, but you know the weird thing is, like, when you try to date someone like without any baggage and all that stuff, there's a chance it may not. Yeah, no, it may not work out. But with a rebound, it always works out.
I told you, awkward. He's actually spot on. So I had this rebound girl once, and I didn't care for her at all. And I remember sitting in the car with her, and I was kind of trying to get her to go home.
Yeah.
And so I could just be in peace. And then she looks at me. She goes, "At least pretend that you like me."
Oh man! Ouch!
I was just like, "Oh my god!"
Chan se jo toote
That was so. But somehow I got rid of her.
do you sometimes think of this moment, like, you know, in your like downtime, you go like, why did I do that?
I regret it. I regret
Okay,
it.
I asked this girl out random because this was like right after breakup, and
Randomly.
Yeah.
I
You'll
asked
go out
her-
with me?
I said literally, I said, I'm coming out of tuition, and this one is at the same tuition. This is like college, and I come out of the tuition and I'm like, hey, you wanna go for coffee? Huh?
Why did you ask
no,
her
but-
like you're a fan at Wankhede?
I know that. No, I'll go one step further. I was going through a
through-
breakup and
huh.
I was at a bar I always go to, and this is one girl I've seen her for like 3 years. Always said hi. So I just went up to her. I was like, let's make out. She said yes.
Wow.
So we went to the back and made out.
See, this happens when you are in the US.
Yeah.
Try that here.
Yeah.
What a make out. Going up to a girl.
You'll have to
Make
you'll have
out,
to use
you're either
both
going to be in
hands
jail.
to pick up your FIR.
Make out what? What do you want to make out?
What do you want to make out? I can't make out anything.
but we have to tell the story since Bridge is not here, and this is one of Bridge's most amazing stories. So there was this girl Bridge was dating, and what happened is this girl. So Bridge was alone at home, and this girl calls Bridge up, and she's like, "Hey, listen, can I come over?" So Bridge is like, "Yeah, sure, why not?"
No, he's like, yeah, sure, why not?
Yeah, sure, why not? So girl's ready, and bell rings. Girl walks in, and he's like, "Hi, whatever." Probably kiss. They sit down, and then the girl just gets up and starts cleaning his house.
What?
It
Oh, I
wasn't
remember
his
this
maid.
one. Yeah,
This girl literally got up and started cleaning his kitchen, put all the dishes, wiped it, cleaned it, and Bridge is just looking around, not knowing. Here's a guy who's lived alone for 18 years. He doesn't like us doing anything for him. He likes to do everything himself. And while he's sitting and looking around, there's this girl who's cleaning his house.
Huh. And then?
Wow.
He broke up with her. He's just like, bro, what the hell
तू
is
मेरा
this?
घर साफ कर दिए?
Yeah, I broke up with a girl once because she had really ugly hands. Is that a?
Yeah,
Like, what's the worst reason
Okay,
for breaking
This
up?
asshole, this asshole right here.
No, but guys.
Who are you dating? Donald Trump?
Nice.
He's got little fingers.
Oh, little fingers,
Yeah.
but not ugly. No, like when you touched her hands, they were just wrinkles all over. Like it was just wrinkled hand, like more than normal.
We're sorry, guys. We're sorry.
Yeah,
We're
this-
nice guys.
this is
This is
very
only
sexist.
asshole in the group.
This is only Karan's
I
opinion.
date all sorts of women. Hand. I
Yeah.
don't care.
Yeah,
We're
We
not-
don't care
But
about
how do you break up with someone who's really clingy?
clingy.
Yeah. What is the best way to do that? It's like this happened to a friend of mine. So he wanted to break up with this girl for the longest time. Okay, and he finally tells her, and she's like, "I was just waiting for you to say it." And then
Oh, that's happened. That's happened. I've been thinking
No, no,
for a while.
I've actually had that.
I had a conversation like this. It was like, she started with, I've been thinking for a while, and I was like, yeah, I've also been thinking for a while. Okay, so we're sorted. Yeah, good.
That's happened to me once. A mutual breakup. It was great, dude. It was great.
Mutual breakups are amazing.
Yeah,
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 they're
yeah.
just so good.
Fantastic.
There was this girl I was dating for a month, so obviously it was nothing serious. One day she said, "Listen, we need to talk," and you know what follows? We need to talk.
Yeah.
And she's like, "I like you, but not
Not in
that
that
way,
way.
not
Huh.
that way."
Huh.
So I actually did genuinely like her, but my pride is at stake. My ego is at stake. I'm
Huh.
like, yeah, even I also like you as a friend.
Oh, yeah, say it
And
before they
look,
say it. Yeah.
she had the look. Really?
Yeah.
Really? What's the worst way you asked a girl out? Because I really want to say this story because
worst way
this
was-
is how not to ask a girl. Okay,
Girl
so I was
out,
in
huh?
college, 12th standard, and this is a girl I really liked, and 6 other guys in my class also liked her.
Also
So it's
liked her.
basically one of those girls who 15 guys like her. So you have to always do something to vie for her attention.
Hmm.
So obviously, as most Indian guys do, I decided to ask her out on
Rose Day.
Valentine's Day?
Rose Day.
Valentine's Day.
Did you have a
Fuck
rose in
yeah.
your hand?
I had 200 roses. Okay.
100
Yeah, I
roses.
stole money from my dad. Sorry,
That's
dad.
like-
I've done all of this. I've memorized. I've looked in the mirror, memorized what I want to say to her.
Meaning to rose memorize karta tha.
Oh.
Okay, so this happens Valentine's Day, and she's gone out for lunch. I'm still in college. She comes back to college. My friend calls up. He's like, "Bro, she's down. Come." I said, "Okay, cool." So everyone's fucked. All my friends are on the other side of the road, hiding behind cars and seeing
I love
the
when this-
destruction
yeah.
that is going to
The
happen.
vicarious
Yeah,
pleasure
they're
they
all
get,
just
no?
there. Kya hoga,
Huh,
kya hoga?
huh.
Because this girl has said no to all the guys. Okay. So we're all like, okay, what's gonna happen? Then I see her, and my friend Puneet does it. Listen, Varun wants to talk to you, and she also sort of, when he wants to talk to you, you know what's going to follow, right? So I walk with like roses in my hand, and she has this look on her face, like don't.
Yeah.
Like, she's this close to just saying no. She's just like, and I'm like, fuck that, bro. Abhi to kar raha hai you, theek hai? I go up, and I'm standing there. I'm like, I know your answer is no, but will you go out with me? I know your answer is no, but will you go out with me?
Should have just taken a gun and done boom.
No, so
shot
I didn't even realize what I've said, right? I've actually just double negative or what triple negative. I know your answer is no, but will you go out with me? And she's like,
That's like
And she's
she's
confused how to
She's like,
answer.
wait, how do? Is it a
Where
trick
is the
question?
grammar
Like,
here?
whatever she says, the answer is going to be yes. So she's just like,
There was
you
this-
know what my answer is, right? I'm like, it's no. She's like, yeah. I said, okay.
Yeah.
Was that
Yeah.
Then I turned around. I didn't even give her the bouquet.
Oh my
I
God.
walked. I was like, oh fuck, I didn't give her the bouquet. Then turned around. I'm like, here is the bouquet. She's like, thanks. And I crossed the road.
Oh,
That
man.
reminds me of this one dude.
But 1 second.
Oh, you went out with them eventually.
A year and a half later, when I was in degree college, guess who dated her?
Array.
brother.
Your brother. This guy. I did.
So there was one guy. I was in Xavier's for SYJC, and this one guy stopped a Pepsi truck in one of the tunnels, and he's like, "I will not let this truck go." He lay down. He's like, "I will not let the Pepsi truck go till you go out with me."
Wow.
Was
Was she driving?
Was
the
this
Pepsi?
sponsored by
She was
Pepsi?
not
Were they
driving.
shooting this?
This proposal is brought to you by
By
Pepsi.
Pepsi.
No, he's
Pepsi
like,
proposal.
and he's just lying there saying, and he says, "So what happens if the girl leaves?" Alright, the girl gets really embarrassed. She leaves. All the guys, Tamasha's going on. Everyone starts leaving, going to class.
Yeah, how?
So eventually, it's just him.
Yeah, how?
lying there,
Alone.
just lying there, waiting for the last people to leave so he can go home with some dignity.
And in the meantime, the Pepsi truck driver, I feel bad for that guy. He
या
just got
वो
late
क्या है,
to work.
उसको घर पे जाना है, उसके बीवी बच्चे रुके
did, yeah, he
बताइए
didn't want to be
पेप्सी
a
का
part of
क्या
this.
करूं मैं? Okay, so I guess we should wrap this one up.
Before we go, we should. No, I think we should not break up as a rule by text or SMS. You should do it in person.
All the guys
Yeah,
out there,
yeah,
all our
yeah, man.
fans, all the people who subscribe to our channel, do not break up with a girl.
Even
on
when you're
SMS.
unsubscribing to our channel, please come to our house
Office.
or office.
Yeah.
Tell
Give us a
us.
rose.
Explain to us why
We
you're
want to
unsubscribing to
unsubscribe
the
our
channel.
I know you're going to say no.
I know you're going to say
I
no,
want to
but let us show you one more sketch which is in edit. Editing चल रहा है नए sketch का, देख लो एक बार.
No, but I hope you had fun listening to all our sad relationship stories. If you have any stories, write them in the comment section below. If you have any other questions that you want answered by SNG, leave it in the comment section below. And the funniest, most interesting question will be answered by 4 of us.
Yes.
Until next time, this is SNG saying tada bye bye.
See ya.
See you.
Yeah, what did you want to be, Adar?
I don't think he had a choice.
Yeah,
He was given the tabla. Yele baja.
Either tabla or sing.
ये 18 musical instrument है एक पकड़ और बजा.
Indian horror films are only of 3 types. Okay, there's the possession film, the Chudail film, and the Shrap film. And all these 3 things only happen to Bipasha Basu. What the fuck is happening here?